Hello there, I'm Dr. Tom Potisk, author of the book Whole Health Healing, the budget-friendly natural wellness Bible for all ages. Whooping cough is in the news a lot lately, and you should know that there are some very good natural and holistic things that you can do to get over it faster and to also prevent from getting it. I've seen these things work very well during my 25 years as a natural, holistic family doctor. So I've written an article about this, and you can learn these things, and you can get the article for free by clicking on the link right below in the description section. I hope you'll enjoy it and benefit. Bye-bye.